Hey guys, what's going on, man? I don't know if you can hear that, but we're getting ready to have a pretty nice thunderstorm here today. A lot of videos coming out today, so that'll be nice. Stay at home and chill and see what y'all are doing. Decided I'd get out of the house today, give you something different to look at other than that wonderful yellow wall that's behind me in my other videos. Just down here sitting in the truck in the park. I was gonna go out and sit by the trees, but that's not gonna happen. It's about to rain. I'm enjoying a cigar today, man. That's a Siglo Limited Reserve 6. This is a 6. I just got into cigars too. I've been smoking cigars longer than I've been smoking pipes, but I don't smoke them as often. I smoke my pipe every day. This cigar got some pretty good reviews in Cigar Aficionado, and I read some pretty good reviews for it online, and it's a pretty damn good cigar. Probably go out and buy some fireworks maybe later on today. Hopefully this rain won't be too bad when it gets dark out later on. Blow some stuff up. Anyway, I just wanted to get on here and make a quick little video. Just let y'all know. I hope you're having a good 4th of July weekend. And if I don't talk to you before the 4th of July, happy 4th of July. Happy birthday, America. There was no cars driving by before I started this video, and I started the video, and now they're everywhere. Probably like, what the hell is this kid doing? Anyway, I think I'm going to take off. Go get something to put in the old belly and go home and catch up on some more videos. You guys keep them coming. I'll probably post another one before the weekend's over. Here comes the rain. Perfect timing. You guys take care. We'll talk at you later.